Hello everyone, my name is Ayushi. I'm currently interning under Lexis and Company. So today I'm going to discuss about the bail. Firstly, we'll know what is bail, and in the type of the bail, we'll discuss about the interim bail. What is interim bail, and how the proceeding goes for the interim bail. So what is the bail? Basically, bail is like release of a defendant from the before the proceeding, while the proceeding. So basically, bail is a judicial interim release in a legal means of freeing a defendant before the court hears a criminal charges against him. So its a prime objective is to compel the defendant appearance by the threat of economic forfeiture for the failure to appear at the stipulated date and time. As the bail, the term bail is not defined in the criminal procedure code. Uh, it's the most common sin indicate the accused is set free from the jail against the kind of security that is given by him, or by the certain condition that is laid down by the judge. So when a person is arrested without a warrant, it is the duty of the police officer to inform such arrested person whether the offence he has been accused of committing is bailable or non-bailable offences. Generally, bail is happened for the non-bailable offences. Uh, so we'll see what are the basically, there are the three types of bail which are available in India. There is a regular bail, anticipatory bail, and the interim bail. So, in the in the CRPC, the meaning of a regular bail and the anticipatory bail is given by in the sections, and but the not the brief. There is not given a brief or knowledge about what is interim bail. So firstly, we'll know is what is anticipatory bail. So anticipatory bail is a direction to release a person on bail issued before the person is arrested. It is the only issued by the session court or high court. That means that anticipatory means anticipation. So anticipation that when this bail is taken, it is taken that when a person is afraid that he will be arrested in the future happening, that he knows that he will be accused of some non bailable offences, and some bailable offences, and that he knows that somebody is going to FIR against him for the offences. So before the filing FIR, or before arresting before the arrest, to save from the arrest, he file an application for the anticipatory bail. So anticipatory bail is granted under Section 438 of CRPC either by the Session Court or High Court. An application for the grant anticipatory bail can be filed by the person who discretes that he may be arrested by the police for a non-bailable offences. So basically, in the CRPC, the section 437, 438, and 439 CRPC talks about the bail. And the another next bail is what is a regular bail. So regular bail is generally granted to a person who has been arrested or is in a police custody. A bail application has been filed for the regular bail under section 437 and 439 of CRPC. So regular bail is like a permanent bail. So it is a totally when the proceedings are going on, it is depends on the it depends on the discretion of the court, that he will grant a bail for the victim. So basically, it is while the proceeding going on, there is the court gives grant a bail. So on the particular condition which is laid down in the section 437 of the CRPC. So what is interim bail then? So this type of a bail is granted for a short period of a time, and is granted it is granted before the hearing of the grant of a regular bail or a anticipatory bail. So court have the power, like after knowing the wisdom that court have the power wisdom after knowing the seriousness, after knowing the every circumstances, the court grant the interim bail. So basically this type of interim bail is granted to a victim when court knows that there is a few chances in the future that the court will that her uh, her offenses will be, her conviction on which he is convicted, that going to be justified, the defense lawyer will going to justify this, and he grant a particular short period of, that is for the limited time, and it can be, it is a temporary bail, it can be grant for the 1 day 2 day or for the like for 1 month, it is just a temporary limited bail. So so defense lawyer file an application for the regular. So before the when the regular bail and anticipatory bail is pending before the court, the defense lawyer file an application for the interim bail. That is after seeing the like on the special occasion the court grant the interim bail. Like we can see in the Lalu Yadav case, for his health the court granted the interim bail. And so there to granting a bail there is a few conditions which is laid on the section 437 of the CRPC. So the court applies that conditions for the for the granting a bail, that there is sufficient reason that believe that the accused has not committed the offence, there is a sufficient reason to conduct the further inquiry in the matter, and whenever there is a requirement that he will come and give her presence and in the court proceeding in her presence to the court. So there are the few requirements that are laid down under the CRPC for giving a condition. So the basically interim bail is a bail of a interim bail is a bail for the particular time, it is a limited period. So when the proceedings are pending before the court grant a bail for the limited period to a accused person, so that the basically defense lawyer have time, and even the reason for the occasion which he wanted release, he is being released. That's it. Thank you.